Greetings, everyone. On occasion, you might need to look up information based on an ACT field, but sometimes we don't know what that field is actually called. In the desktop version of ACT, you used to be able to, or you still can actually, right-click on a field and see the name of that field by initiating a lookup from that field. But here you can't do that. In the web version, it gives you different things, and I'm using Microsoft Edge. So how do you actually know the names of these fields? Well, let me show you how you figure that out. What you do is you go up and click on Tools. You go down to where it says Design Layouts. You go over to where it says Contact, because this is a contact layout. And when this screen pops up, I'm going to maximize it. And if you observe in the field name, these are the names of the field. Now, in this particular case, the label and the field name are exactly the same. But sometimes what I see is sometimes people will put a field in but modify the layout and change it to something different. For example, I had a client recently that they changed the ID status field label to type, T-Y-P-E. So when they went to do a lookup, they would go look up and look for type, but it wasn't there because the real and actual name of the field was ID status. So what I recommend is that you take a look at this and then take a screenshot so you can remember the name of the fields. And that way you'll have it as a resource, or if you forget, you can just come in here and look quickly. So that's just a quick tip so you know the exact name of a field in ACT Premium Cloud. My name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you so very much. Have a great day. Bye now.